Why did I stop having milk when I got cancer? I was 28, no family history. I had a rare aggressive cancer. Of course I wanted to know what went wrong. And so I did a lot of research. I read scientific papers, research articles, number of case studies, and I found one common culprit, which was commercial dairy. You see, cows and buffaloes are injected with all kinds of hormones, so they give more and more milk. Hormones like oxytocin, synthetic estrogen, RBGH, and many more. All of these countries have banned RBGH because of its extremely harmful effects, but India hasn't. When this cocktail of hormones is ingested by humans, especially women, they have high chances of developing breast cancer, PCOD, and all kinds of hormonal diseases. Up until I got cancer, I was having 2 glasses of milk a day. But now I consume oat milk, almond milk, coconut milk. It's easier to digest, it doesn't give you bloating, and most importantly, it doesn't give you hormonal diseases. I will never allow mass-distributed commercial milk to enter my home again, and you shouldn't either. Share this video with at least one woman you really care about.